Good evening, I am DrDiamler, and thank you for checking out my very first YouTube video, and I really appreciate you stopping to watch. Please let me know any thoughts, comments, or questions you might have. Today's project is a coolant reservoir bracket that I made for my good friend Bob of Low End Garage for his Pontiac GTO. Please see the link in the description to check out his page. The software that I have chosen to use for this project is AutoCAD. It is the easiest way for me to create a simple two-dimensional CAD drawings using only an overlay. As you can see on the screen, Bob has given me a cardboard cutout of exactly what he needed made. I was then able to take the image, place it into AutoCAD, and trace it. I started with the straight lines first. I then added the radiuses and angles later on. Just a little cleanup, and we can add the holes. The holes were only of approximate size as well because they were just clearance for bolts. For the final step, I'm just going to clean some things up, round off some edges, and we should be ready to go. Now that the drawing is completed, we can send it to the software program used for my plasma table. I am currently using a 40M Komatsu unit, and it uses its own proprietary software. The software automatically programs the machine to follow the geometry sent to it, but I do have to tell it how I want to lead the torch in and lead the torch out of each cut. Lead in and lead outs are very important. You do this to minimize the material blowout at the start of each arc. If the arc is started in the scrap part of the hole, you will have a much cleaner cut around the perimeter. But if the arc is started at the very edge of the part, then you might end up with a little blowout from the torch, which would then affect the overall quality of the part that you are trying to make. Now that we've finished drawing the part, programming the cut path, and programming in the lead in and lead outs, it's time to send it to the machine to cut. And there we go. I did clean it up a bit with a sander prior to taking this picture. A part such as this will most certainly need to be top coated in some manner. When Bob got the bracket from me, he painted it up and was able to install it with no problems. I hope you enjoyed watching my quick video on making his bracket. If you enjoyed it, I would very much appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have anything you would like me to make, please feel free to send it over and I would be happy to take a look at it. Maybe we could even make a video about making your bracket or part as well. Thank you very much and have a great day.